Thanks, Shalva. Prabhu, what is the last class?
Last class we discussed control statements, sir. What are the different type of control statements? If condition we have discussed.
If statement, like we discuss about simple if else, nested if, ladder if, right?
Yes.
Okay, then let me start the mission. Have you tried that program? If student marks is greater than 35, pass something.
Actually,
okay. In today's class, we are going to discuss about exit codes. Okay. I will continue from where we left yesterday. First, I'm going to discuss about the exit codes. Okay. Exit codes or status codes. Exit codes are status codes. Okay. Every command and script returns some value after execution, which indicates that whether it is successfully executed or not. These return values is called exit code or status code. Okay. How we can get this exit code by using $? Okay. If you use $? If 0, we will get the result 0. 0 means command or script executed successfully. Non-zero means command or script not executed successfully. Okay.
Okay.
Let me log into the machine. Simple. Just 1 second. Let me let that terminal open. Okay. Exit code simple. Like suppose if I give echo hello world, something like this, I'm giving and entering, I'm getting the result. That now if I type $? I'll be getting the here I'm getting the output as 0 here. Okay. Even that means the exit code, if you get the result as 0, that means script or command ran successfully. Suppose if I give anything like ls and then I'm giving random, there is nothing, we'll be getting error. Okay. Now if I see, if I use $? Now I'll be getting non-zero value. That means command or script not executed successfully. Okay. This is what I mean to say. Here command not found we are getting. If you don't want to get, then we can use $echo and then we can use like this. See 127. That means the command not executed successfully. If it is non-zero, okay. Exit in the script to stop execution in the middle, we can use exit command. See, I mean, like in the script also we can use this exit code to exit from the middle. Okay. Write a script that takes 2 integer numbers as command line arguments and print sum. If number of arguments is not 2, then we have to get message saying that you should provide only 2 arguments. If the arguments are not integer numbers, we have to get a message saying that you should provide integer numbers only. This is our requirement. Did you understand the requirement?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Clear. Then let me see what is the last file name. Here I'm creating a new file. Okay, new script bin bash. Okay. Now, if what is that? Command line arguments. How many command line arguments it should take? It should take 2 command line arguments. What is the condition? How we can do that? If command line arguments, if you want to get the number of command line arguments, total number of arguments, what you should use? $#. Okay. $hash hyphen ne means not equal to 2. Okay, then come down, give colon here, then okay, echo, you should use echo, and then you should use exactly two arguments only, something like this. Okay, now here I can give exit and then 1. Okay, and then close this fi. Next one is I'm declaring command line arguments x equal to $1. This is the first command line argument. Y equal to $2. Okay, sorry, $2. Now I can give sum equal to dollar double parenthesis open and close. Now tell me what I can give, x plus y. Okay,
Right.
and then come out of this one if dollar question mark not equal to 0, then echo should you should provide integer numbers only. Okay, come out of this one. Here I need to use exit 2 and exit space 2, else
We must give you
echo
exit 1 and exit 2, sir.
anything. Exit 1, I mean like
No.
q non-zero value. Exit
Okay.
1, exit 2, not any non-zero number you can do.
Okay.
Sum. Okay, give the colon, and then what is the variable we declare for sum. Okay, come down here and then close the fi. This is how we write the script. Now
Sir,
let us
sum equal to dollar columns we are giving a brackets, two brackets we are giving, one is enough. If one is not enough, sum equal we sum the x and y, x plus y.
see, that is what you need to follow. I mean, like once after completing the classes, you need to
Okay.
go through the
Yes,
classes, and then what is this? This is like if you want to perform mathematical operation, there are 4 ways I told, right? What are the ways? First one is by using expr keyword.
exp.
Okay, and then we need second one is let keyword,
Let.
and then double parenthesis double parenthesis another way, and then there is another way, square brackets. Okay, that is why we are doing mathematical operation, right? That is why we
Sorry,
need to
okay. Sir. Actually, I confused with variables. We calling the variables. Okay, sir. I understand.
that is why you need to I mean
Practice.
practice, or else let me save this file, no problem. What I will do, bash k.sh, enter. You should enter 2 arguments correctly. Now it is working fine, and then exit code is also working fine. Now I'll enter 2 arguments, 19 and then 18 I am entering. We are getting the sum perfect. Now the other one I will enter integer values. Okay, integer values. Let me see, you should provide integer values only. You are getting like this, but it is saying line 10 there is an error, some syntax. Well, I'll check that. Line 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yeah, some instead of this one we can give square brackets also, like this also we can do. It is going to work out. There is nothing, there is no invalid arithmetic operator. This is what it is saying. Error is we are using the integer number, right? Here you can see 18.5 something. Let me zoom. See here, 0.5. This is not the correct arithmetic operator. We are getting that error. Okay, that is how you can write that script using the exit codes. Okay, write a script that reads integer number and check whether the given sum is positive or negative number. It is very simple. You can write out simple thing. First you need to read a number to check whether it is positive number or not. If that variable is greater than 0, then it is positive number, else it is negative number. Simple logic. What is the logic here is, suppose you have declared variable as n. Okay, what is the logic? $n hyphen gt greater than 0, then it is a echo, it is a positive number, else it is a negative number, only that thing. Okay, write a script that reads an integer number and check whether it is an even number or not. Tell me the logic first. What is the even number logic?
It is divisible by 2, then we no sir. In odd digits it not work out. Only even digits it work.
If you want to is even number or not, first divided by is divided by.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Here now
Okay, sir.
You hear me?
No, sir, your voice is breaking.
Can you hear me now?
Now, okay, sir.
If the number is divisible by 2, and the result is, I mean like remainder is equal to 0, then the number is said to be a even number. For that, what we can do, we can use modulus. When any number modulus, what do you mean by this percentage or modulus is, when a number is divided by 2, it is going to give the result. I mean the remainder it is going to give. If you perform any operation by using modulus, the result we get is remainder. Okay, not the quotient. Suppose if you are doing any mathematical operation, n divided by some number, say like any number by 3 or 5 or 5, what is the result we are going to get? We are going to get the result as quotient. We are going to get the result. Quotient we will be getting. When you use modulus, we are going to get the result remainder. Okay, be very clear regarding that one. Now I'm going to create a script for that. L.sh in bash. Come down here, read -p, enter integer number to check. Okay, this is the first I'm going to give. I'm going to declare the variable as n. Come down here. Here the logic is, okay, if we are doing mathematical operation, right? That is why if n modulus 2 hyphen, what is the thing, equal to 0. Okay, this is the condition. Then echo $n is even number. Else,
okay, then it is odd number.
$n is odd number. This is what is odd number. Okay, come down, close it, save it, bash. Enter any number. I'm entering 19. 19 is odd number. Perfect. Enter any number. 18 I'm entering. 18 is even number. It is working fine. That is the logic. Now let me move to the next one. Write a script that reads an integer number and check whether it is a 3-digit number or not. What is the logic? You can try it out. I will give the logic here. If it is a 3-digit number or not, how you can do that? The condition is okay, if $n greater than or equal to 100, okay, and $n less than or equal to 999. This is the logic. See, if the number is three digit number, the number should be from in between 100 to 999, right? That is why we have given this logic. If this condition satisfies, then it is a 3-digit number. Else, it is not a 3-digit number. Simple thing. You can try it out. I am going to paste this thing in the chart. It is very simple. Just give that condition, this condition, and then use the echo and then else. That's it. This is okay. Now very important thing. This is very important thing. File test permissions. Okay. File test options. Okay. Important. Okay. There are few arguments which you need to understand first. First one is -e. Okay. -e returns true if the file or directory exists. Okay. Returns true. -e argument returns true if file or directory exists. Okay. And the next one is -s. -s when it returns true if the file is non-empty. Okay. I'm not writing anything. I'm just telling orally. -s returns true if the file is non-empty. Next one is -f returns true if the file is regular file. Okay, if the file is regular file. -d returns true if it is a directory. Okay, -l returns true if it is a link file. Okay, next one is -b returns true if it is a block special file. -c returns true if it is a character special file. -r returns true if current user has read permission on the file. -w same thing, returns true if the current user has write permission on the file. -x returns true if the current user has execute permission on the file. Okay, next one is -o returns true if current user is owner of that file. Okay, and there is another thing, file1 -ot file2 returns true if file1 is older than file2. Okay, next one is file1 -nt file2 returns true if file1 is newer than file2. These are the arguments which you need to remember. -e if the file or directory exists. -s returns true if the file or directory is non-empty. No, directory not, file is non-empty. -f returns true if it is a regular file. -d returns true if it is a directory. -l returns true if it is a link file. -b returns true if it is a block special file. -c returns true if it is a character special file. -r returns true if the current user has read permission on the file. -w returns true if the current user has write permission on the file. -x returns true if the current user has execute permission on the file. -o returns true if the current user is a owner of the file. File1 -ot file1 returns true if the file1 is older than file2. Next one is file1 returns true if the file1 is newer than file2. Okay, I'll just quickly paste this one as well in the chart. These are very important. Basically, they are going to ask in interviews these things only. They are going to what they will tell is write a script to check whether the file is present or not. That time you should know this file or not. Okay, I'll just create, let me see what file is available here. student.sh file is also available. I'll check with, see, suppose my requirement, someone has come and asked me, hey Kiran, is there a file named with the student.sh file? I cannot go, see, now I know the location. That is why I can check it. I can go to scripts, I can do ls-ltr, but there are thousands of directories, thousands of files. That time what you will do? You will go one by
Locates.
one, one by one. You cannot do that. That is
Look.
why we can create a script. Okay,
Oh, okay.
locate command you can use. Locate
Sorry,
command.
just I missed.
No,
Okay.
you can write a script. Locate command. What you locate command, using locate command? What you can do?
Just we have find out the where it
Command
where it
locate
has
means find file, find files by name.
by name.
Locate option pattern. Locate reads one or more database prepared by. Okay. If you scroll it.
Just I'm saying. No,
No. I am also like print only entries that match all one instead of required want them to. But the database need to be updated, right? The database will be updated. Anyhow, we'll see with the script nano m.sh. Tell me the script in bash.
Sorry, sir. What is wow?
Write a script to check whether the given file is present or not, exists or not.
Uh,
Simple. First thing,
LSFN. Oh, okay, sir. Okay. Read.
read and enter file, enter file name to check. Okay, I'm giving the variable as f name. Okay, come down here. If hyphen e dollar f name. Okay, then what is that? Tell me then.
If
Echo
echo
dollar
if
f name, dollar f name exists.
exists
Else
no such file.
echo dollar f name does not exist. Okay, I'm down, close this one. This is how you run it. Okay, this is how now.
Sir, in if condition, just we are giving option -e. There is no need to give you ls command or anything.
No, not
Okay,
necessary.
sir.
That is what I explained, right? These are file test operations, file test options.
Options. Okay.
Now run it. Enter the file name student.sh. File exists. I will enter random file name which doesn't exist. Kiran.txt. File does not exist. That is how you can do it. Okay. Next one is write a script to test whether the given file is a regular file or not. Simple thing. If you want to check whether it is a regular file or not, you need to use hyphen
-s.
-f.
Regular file. -f.
-s is non-empty file. Okay.
Okay.
First, if you want to check the regular file or not, first you need to check whether the file exists or not. Okay. If the file
Okay.
exists, then you can go for regular file or not. You need to use hyphen e also. That is that, I mean, like, it is very simple. Just you need to use two times if hyphen e file name, then after that again you need to
Okay.
simple thing. I'll just give you the logic. If hyphen e, I'm not following the syntax. Okay, here file name you will give, then okay, then you can mention, then again you need to use if, and then hyphen f. Okay, come out of this one, then again you need to use then. Okay, then it is a regular file. Simple thing. Then it is a regular file, and then you need to close the if loops. Okay, even if you want to check any other thing, suppose you want to check elif, you can check elif, and then you can mention hyphen d also. Hyphen d is directory. elif hyphen d f name, then echo it is a directory, else it is a special file, close the what is that? Do you want me to explain this? Okay, I'll explain this one. This is something you cannot understand. N.sh, okay, begin dash, come down here, read hyphen p, enter, tell me enter,
Enter file names.
enter file name to test, okay, colon, I'm going to give f name as a variable, come down here, what is the condition? First condition,
If condition. If in
if
columns hyphen e dollar f name,
dollar f name,
then
then
next
again we need to use
if dollar in column hyphen s
hyphen f, dollar f name,
f, okay.
then echo it is a regular file.
Regular file.
Instead of you can give f name. Now after this one, what we need to use? Tell me.
F is a regular file. Then we
I'm
elif.
checking another condition whether it is a directory or not here. Hyphen t dollar f name, then echo it is f name is a directory. Okay. Then else echo it is a special. Okay, echo dollar f name is a special file. Okay, now come out of this one, else before that we need to close it, f5. Okay, now come out of this one, else, okay, else echo it is a, instead of it I can say dollar f name, dollar f name does not exist. Did you understand this code, this script?
Yes.
Simple thing. First we are entering the file name, then after that if the file exists or not, if the file, then we are checking the regular file or not. After that we are checking the we are using elif, and then we are checking whether it is a directory or not. If it is a not directory, then it is a special file. Okay, and then this f5 we are closing this one here, this one is done. And then if after that else, this if this else, I'm closing the f5. Perfect, it will work. Now let me enter the file name to test. I will say student.sh. It is a regular file. Even we can, if you want, we can give I'm just giving kiran.txt file. This file is not present. If not, we can give special character file, all those files also. We don't have special character file, block special files, right? That is why I'm not testing that condition. You can test that condition as well. Okay, write a script that reads a file name and display the content to the terminal. Write a script that reads a file name and display its content to the terminal. Simple thing, using cat you can do it.
Cat command. Okay.
You can try it out, right? first you need to check whether the file exists or not. After that, whether it is a regular file or not. After that, whether the user has a read permission or not. Then you need to use cat. Else, user does not have read permission. Else, echo it is not a regular file. All those conditions you need to check. It is very simple thing. You can try it out. Write a script that reads file name and check whether it is empty file or not.
Just how can we find this is empty file or not, sir? By using a file size, sir.
I told if you want to check what is that file text options. I told using
File.
hyphen yes option you can check whether it is a empty file or not. Okay, let me write the script for you. O.sh in bash. Okay, simple thing. Read hyphen p enter file name to test. F name, come out of here. Now we need to check if first we need to check if the file exists or not. If $f name, then after that we need to check whether it is a regular file or not. What is the condition if you want to check whether it is a regular file or not? F name. Okay. Then we need to check whether it is empty file or not. We need to use what is the next one? Hyphen yes $f name. Okay. Then you need to use then. Now echo $f name is not empty file. Else
In echo, we need to close the code.
else F name is empty file. Okay, and then close this file. After that, now which one we have closed? Can you tell me which F5 we have closed?
Not empty file.
Else echo is not a regular. Close the file. Else echo this file does not exist. Yes, no. Close this. Now run it. Enter the file name to test and giving same thing student.sh. It is not empty file. We are getting that. If you want, you can create touch and then run.txt file. I'm creating empty file. Now if I test again this one, it is empty file. It is working fine. That is how you can write a script. Okay. To check whether the file is empty file or not. Give me 1 second. No? Because there are two more programs, there are two more scripts. Write a script that accept two file names and check whether both files having same content or not. How can you check this one? See, simple thing. First, you need to enter two file names, read -p, enter first file name, declare the variable, second file name, declare the variable. Then you need to use CMP command, and then $f name, $f, dollar. You need to use this comparison command. CMP is compare. It is going to compare the file content. Okay. And then if condition you can mention, can you do it or do you want me to do it?
Sir, can you do this one, sir? Actually, 2 days back I seen this script in my organization.
It's very simple. Nothing there is. I'll do that. Nano p.sh. But I don't have files, right, to check whether the content is same or not. I will keep in bash. First, we need to enter two numbers, not two files. Okay, read -p. First, I'll name to check. Come out here, if name one. Okay, read -p. Enter the second file name to check. Okay, name two. Now tell me. You should tell me, not me. I should tell me. We can use CMP command. CMP $f name one, $f name two. Okay. Then you the I'm doing command substitution here. Okay. I'm declaring the variable here, result equal to $. Okay. Now tell me if condition $result.
Different.
For that, we need to use here one argument -z. Okay, -z result. Okay, here in the result also you should give in the double quotation because it is a string. It will be a string. Then colon, then simple. This is the thing. Then echo the two given files have same content. Simple thing. Echo two files have same content. Else echo two file two files have current content. Okay, okay, this is this thing. See, we are using a new argument -z, right? -z is string comparison option, returns true if string is empty. Okay, save this file. Now I don't have bash p.sh. Enter first name student.txt file. We have txt file also, student txt file. Second one I'm entering student.sh file. Content is different. See, missing operand after CMP. Two files have same content. Maybe we'll check it. We are getting an error here. CMP
In
something
CMP
is,
file, we give you a wrong file name. F name, sir. F name one, F name
spelling mistake.
spelling.
First, let me see content is different. Student dot sh. This is different. See, both are different here. Why it is taking this much time? Why? Why it is taking that much time? CMP, perfect. It is going to work out, but why it is taking that much time? It is going to work out, but I don't know why it is taking that much. Oh, here we gave wrong spelling. See, two files have different content. It is going to work out. Spelling mistake I have given. Okay. Next one is write a script that accept a file name and display user permissions. Very simple. If the user, you can use -r -w if you want to check file permissions -r -w -x. You can give the file test options and then check it whether the user has read permission, execute permissions or not. Okay. Okay, write a script that reads file name and remove specified file. Simple thing. First we need to check whether the file is existing or not. After that, rm-rf you can use, and then you can give the file name. Then it is going to remove the file successfully. Okay. Next one is okay, string test options. Okay. Now we have discussed about file test options. Next one is string test options. Okay. This is also very important. String test options. String text options. First one is str1 equal to str2. Okay. Returns true if both the strings are same. Okay. str1 and then colon, sorry, and then colon equal exclamatory is not colon, exclamatory, and then str2 returns true if both strings are different. Okay. Hyphen z str, what it does, hyphen z, just now we discussed, returns true if the string is empty. Okay. Hyphen n str returns true if the string is non-empty. Okay. str1 greater than str2, what it does, returns true if string is alphabetically greater than string 2, and then str1 less than str2 returns true if string 1 is alphabetically less than str2. Okay, these are the 5 file test options. Okay, did you understand? str1 equal to str2 returns true if the files are same. Okay, next one is if the files are different. Next one is returns true if the file is non-empty. Sorry, this z is empty, n is non-empty. str1 greater than str2 returns true if the string 1 has alphabetically greater than str2. One, give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. I'll be back in 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Sorry, I'm back. Okay. What I was talking,
Yeah.
string test options, right? Demo program will write a program for string comparison to test whatever we learn. Okay. Demo program for string comparison. Okay, perfect. Nano q.sh. Okay. This is also very important. Maybe in interviews they are going to ask this one as well. Hyphen p. Enter the first string. Come down here. str1. Okay. Read hyphen p. Enter second to colon str2. Okay. Now we need to write the logic here. If tell me the logic. If dollar str1 equal to dollar str2 you colon, then tell me then what is the thing. Echo both strings are same. Okay. Next, what is the next one? Elif. Elif, we are using elif. Come down here. Elif dollar str1. Okay. Backward slash less than dollar str2. Then echo dollar str1 is less than dollar str2. Else echo dollar str1 is greater than dollar str2. Okay, close this. Yeah, this is how you write the script. Okay, now I will run it. q.sh. First string I am entering Kiran. Second string I am entering your name. Okay, Kiran is less than Prabhu. Perfect. It is working fine. Again I am running. Again I am entering Kiran. Next also I am entering Kiran only. Now we should get both strings are same. It is working fine. Okay, if you want to check again, you can check it. See, Prabhu is greater than Kiran. It is working fine. Okay, this is how you use the file demo. This is the demo program for file string comparison. Okay, if we are not using a backward slash, then that greater than act as a input redirection. We are using in the code. We are using here this one, right? We are using, if we use only this less than symbol, it is going to be act as a redirection. That is why we are using this backward slash. Okay. Perfect. Next one is write a script that check whether login user is a root user or not. If login user is root, then display first 5 current running process information. Very simple thing. Can you try it out? I will just explain the logic here. See, first thing is what you need to do is first thing you need to use user equal to dollar parenthesis, who am I? Okay, who am I? This you need to use, and then if, and then condition you need to use here, if dollar user, okay, is not equal to, we need to give is not equal to root. Okay, then current user is not user, hence exiting. Okay, and then we need echo, we need to use, and then current user is not root user, and then we need to use exit one. If you use exit one, here itself it is going to stop the next flow, it is not going to execute it. And then echo the first five, if it fails, uh, then he is a root user, right? For that, what we need to use, echo the five current running process information. How we can get the current five process running information? ps
Stop.
hyphen
Okay.
ef, and then type symbol head hyphen five. Using this thing, you can get the current process five process information. Okay.
Okay.
This is the last program in if statement. Write a script to check whether the given string is empty or not. If it is not empty, print its length. Simple thing, we have checked it, right? How to get the length of the string in the previous sessions. The
Yes, sir.
logic is same. Okay. Any questions in if statement? If statement is closed.
No, sir. Thank you. Here, root is by default it will take a root. This is a command line or what you call
I didn't understand what you are asking.
it. Here, a dollar user is not equal to a root. By default it will take a root as a command.
See, I am using before this user. Who am I? If I use who am I,
It's a user. Oh, okay, sir. I understand.
who am I? It will give my name. If I am sudo hyphen su, if I go, if I give password, now if I type who am I, now I'm getting you root, right?
Yeah.
That logic I have used here. User, who
Mhm.
am I? If dollar user is not equal to root, we are getting root, right? If it is root, then we can mention it is a root user. If it is not
Okay.
root, we can mention that. Okay.
Yeah.
Any questions? Any questions you have?
No, sir. No.
If
I
you
will
don't have any
practice.
questions, okay. If you don't have any questions, just give me 1 minute. I will check whether can we complete case statement today or tomorrow. Shall we connect for case, and then tomorrow my target is to complete case, and then while, and then